It's time for a Wantable summer style unboxing. Summer is a perfect time to refresh your closet with some warmer weather pieces, and what a better way than to have a stylist pick out your items for you and basically shop from the comfort of your own home. After taking a style quiz to give your preferences of what you like, you'll receive 7 items to try on at home and keep what you love and return what you don't. You can choose your order frequency to monthly, every 2 to 3 months, or as you want to, and cancel at any time. Your stylist will help you choose items that fall within your chosen budget, align with your preferences on the quiz, and any items you have specifically requested in the stream. I love all of these choices. The dresses are nice and flowy, lightweight fabrics for the heat of the summer, and the tank and shorts are so fun in color, and my stylist really nailed the fit. They also have an active edit for active and athleisure wear, a sleep and body edit with sleepwear and lounge, and even a men's edit. Check it out using my link and receive $25 off your first edit. You won't regret trying Wantable.